Hi, I'm Nick Crivelli. I'm one of the creators of the VSCode MARS extension, and I'm here to make a little short video on all the little features of our project. So first, if you want to run the code, if you go make an ASM file up here, you can click this arrow, this run current file command, and it will run the entire file. However, you're not going to see any of the CPU registers here, so you go to the bottom left-hand corner and click CPU registers right under timeline or an outline. It'll show you all of the CPU registers, or I will say, there's also the memory down here. Or you can do Control Shift P, or on Mac, I think it's Command Shift P. You can click on, well, first you can probably have to search up MARS, and it'll say run file or show register viewer. What you're going to want to do for the more detailed register viewer is you're going to click this. And it's not going to have anything first. First you have to run it. And once you run it, it'll have a slightly more detailed register viewer. Another thing is if you want to if you do change something in your code, let's say we change the fizzbuzz to go up to 50 instead of 100, and we rerun this, over here it will say if the register has changed since the last run. And yeah, change that back. There's another thing. We have a settings for the actual extension. If we go to extensions, that's all of my extensions. We go MARS. If we look up MARS, it'll have, ignore these three, by the way, these are completely different. It'll say MARS extension to the left of it. And all 5 of these are the different settings that you can have for our extension. First one, you have display format. Over here, you can change if you want to see hex or decimal or both. The default is both. These two you shouldn't really have to worry about. And these two are the memory addresses that you want to see and use. Last thing is when you hover over some things here, it'll show you a little blurb about how to use that specific register or that specific command. And yeah, right here, if you go to LI, it loads an immediate value into a register, shows you how to use it over here and what it is. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.